Today we are going to walk through the process of scaling the user interface in Figma quickly and efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Once the site loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home page. You will notice that the login option is located at the top right corner of the page, and this is where your journey begins. After locating the login option, click on it to proceed. The process is straightforward and it directs you towards signing into your account. You will then see an option to continue using your Google account. This method not only simplifies the sign-in process, but also ensures that you are using a convenient and secure way to access your projects. When you click on the option that says Continue with Google, a new set of options will be presented to you. At this point, carefully choose the appropriate Google account that you wish to use with Figma. This step is crucial because it determines which projects and files will be available once you are logged into the platform. Selecting the right account ensures a seamless experience as you continue with your design work. With your account successfully linked, you will be taken to your Figma dashboard. The dashboard is your control center where you can manage projects, files, and other design resources. Once you are in your dashboard, you might notice that this area provides a collection of projects that you have previously worked on or created. This intuitive layout makes it simple to access your work without any unnecessary clutter. Take a few moments to review your available projects and prepare to make adjustments to the user interface if needed. The next step involves scaling the user interface within Figma. To do so, you will use a keyboard shortcut that makes the task both efficient and precise. With the dashboard in view, press the Control key along with the Shift key and the plus key simultaneously. This simple combination allows you to zoom in on your project, making it easier to work on finer details within your design. The zoom function can be particularly helpful when you need to see intricate elements more clearly, allowing for more accurate adjustments as you work on scaling the interface. The importance of using keyboard shortcuts in Figma cannot be understated, as they are designed to enhance productivity and streamline your workflow. By mastering these shortcuts, you not only save time but also create a more fluid and dynamic design process. The zoom in feature is just one of many that can help you navigate through complex projects with ease. Throughout this process, remember that every action in Figma is designed with the user in mind. From the initial login through to scaling your design, each step builds upon the previous one to ensure you have complete control over the editing environment. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned designer, these instructions provide a clear and concise path to achieving a more detailed view of your work. By following these steps, you are empowered to quickly access and modify your projects in Figma. The process is designed to be seamless and intuitive, reinforcing Figma's reputation as a robust platform for modern design. Enjoy the increased clarity and precision in your user interface work as a result of these simple yet powerful techniques.